So if you want to know the worst thing about having this kind of frames, is that this one is plastic. See, plastic clad, and this one is alloy. So when you scratch this, you cannot refurbish it because this whole thing has to come off. And the only thing to fix this one is to remove the plastic cover, and it's not an easy job. So what people usually do is once they scratch bang up the whole rim, they change the whole rim. So there's no any other way to fix it. Or you can remove the plastic and then powder coat the core rim. So now I got my new tires. I paid $770 for 4 tires, including warranty and installation. It's a Goodyear Eagle Touring 235, 55, 20, 102. So I only got 24,000 right now on my odometer. Let's see how much I can get it out of it. I changed all 4. So on my previous, and this is Walmart tire change, and they have very good service over here. They change within an hour, so I hang around inside. So my previous tires were Toyota tires, and I only got 24,000 out of them, and which is bad. They usually have like 30,000, 35. 30,000 is good. If you can get like 30,000 out of it, it's good. Let's see how much I can get from this one. Also, I drove 24,000 in 2 years, and it was so bad. It was getting super bold, and then got dry rots. So for some reason, the quality was not good.